In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail and Google accounts. We'll walk through two options. First, removing Gmail while keeping the rest of your Google services, and then permanently deleting your entire Google account. I'll explain what each action means so you can choose the one that fits your situation. If you only want to delete Gmail, start by signing in at myaccount.google.com. On the left, open Data Privacy. Scroll until you see the section called Data from Apps and Services You Use, then choose Delete a Google service. You'll see a list of services tied to your account. Find Gmail and click the trash bin icon next to it. Google will ask for an existing non-Gmail email address. This is important because after you delete Gmail, you'll use this email to sign into your Google account and recover it if needed. Enter an address you already own and have access to, then select Send Verification Email. Head over to that inbox, open the message from Google, and click the verification link to confirm. Once you verify, your Gmail and its messages are removed, but your Google account stays active. You'll still have access to services like Drive, Photos, and YouTube, and you'll sign in with the non-Gmail address you provided. Keep in mind, deleting Gmail is intended to be permanent, and the same Gmail address usually can't be reclaimed later. If you want to delete your entire Google account, go back to Data Privacy on the left menu. Scroll to the section labeled Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for Your Data, and choose Delete Your Google Account. You'll be asked to re-enter your password or verify your identity for security. Take a moment to review the summary of what will be deleted. This includes emails, files in Drive, photos, calendar events, purchases, and any active subscriptions tied to the account. When you're ready, check the acknowledgement boxes confirming you understand the consequences. Finally, click Delete Account to permanently remove your entire Google account and all associated services. This action can't be undone, and access to content and purchases linked to that account will be lost. That's it. Whether you're cleaning up your inbox by removing Gmail or closing out your entire Google footprint, following these steps will guide you cleanly through the process. Take your time reviewing what's affected so there are no surprises, and proceed only when you're certain about the choice that's right for you.